So I got this dent today on the hood of a car. It's for a dealer. The manager asked me if I could help him out and do my best. Not sure how this one's gonna turn out, but here's the before. Let's check it out. Boom, right there. Ouch. It looks like somebody actually, it's like, maybe vandalism. I don't know what the hell happened. It looks like somebody pressed it hard and it buckled. That is just craziness right there. So let's see what I can do. All right, I'm back and I'm done. And it was scary. It was aluminum, and I'm not gonna bore you with details, but I didn't have any heat here and it sucked. And I'm at a remote location and but damn, I got it. It's not perfect if you look really close, but that's what the dealer wanted. I'm looking in the wrong place here. I'm looking over that side or that side. I think I'm supposed to look over there. There you are. Hi. Anyway, man, I'm happy about this one. I was scared. My heart was pounding. I know I talk about getting nervous once in a while, but this one was a different kind of feeling. This is like, oh shit, I think I'm making this thing worse. And it was looking worse for a while, and I was hoping that the manager wasn't gonna come over and look at it and be like, oh shit, you're ruining my car, but I didn't. It came out great. I'm happy, man. The manager hasn't even seen this yet, but I know it's gonna fly. Oh yeah, I'm looking in the wrong spot again. Back over there. I got you. Anyway, I'm done for the day. I'm heading home to my beautiful wife and kids. Take care. I'll see you guys later. Bye.